In this video, we'll be going over how to draw comments on top of documents using Hyland Document Filters. The obvious case for this is converting a Word document with comments to a PDF and retaining those comments. Follow along. Please download the sample code from the Document Filters GitHub. I'll be using C# for this video, but practically any programming language can be used, with samples currently provided for C#, C++, Java, and Python. So the sample we'll be using is the Convert Document with Comments project, and we'll focus on the program.cs file. So what we're starting out with is just simply initializing document filters. We then begin iterating through the pages of the document. We'll then start collecting the comments of the page, as well as the comment replies. So we'll now have the comments. We will draw the content of the page to the document, followed by drawing the comments on the page. So we'll now see this in action. Here's a Word document discussing the benefits of using document filters in an AI solution, and it just happens to contain some comments. We'll then run the sample app and pass in the Word document as the input file. We'll then see that it's been converted to a PDF with all of the comments drawn on top of the document, all being done with doc filters. Thanks for watching this video. Please check out our GitHub for other sample apps and new releases.